this side, guys.
Okay, this is April 4, 2017.
Oh, this side is left side, yeah.
This is a 16-year-old Jack Russell complain about restless, bad breath. Where the swelling, 2 or 3 days. Here. Where the point, there's a swelling there.
Oh, that means below.
Lower part. And then this side have not.
No, one side only. Swollen.
He bites people, so you can't touch him. Totally point your finger exactly.
Here.
Oh, that one is the teeth, yeah. They fall down?
Teeth, yeah, fall.
So we need to check him now. Bad breath also. So I need to.
It's left side, yeah, not right side.
Left side, left. The lip commissure there, yeah. You can touch or not? It bite you or not? Yeah, bite you. They touch it down. It carry.
Yeah.
So they'll bite people.
Come.
Below. Yeah, there's a swelling there. Your nose, lao hui is
No.
nose okay.
He cough out, blood.
Cough blood.
No. Hachi, then
Sneezing,
blood.
blood. From where? From the nose? Sneezing from the nose?
From.
The blood comes from the nose?
I don't know. I think it's nose.
Or not
because
mouth?
it's achoo then come out. I don't know where.
How many times? How many times?
Always lah.
2 days?
Always achoo. Yeah, 2.
2 days. No diarrhea, no outside.
More outside.
This is a male, not neutered. Jack Russell, 16 years old. So we need to sedate him. So this dog wants to bite people, so we cover the head first.
The towel.
Towel can take out already. Cover the head and give an eye injection, Domitor plus ketamine. Then we wait for 10 minutes, let him sleep first. Then we check his mouth, check his throat, the smelly, the left side, right? Left side, smelly, yeah. Okay. 10 minutes we waited now. You bring him over in. Yeah, check and see any smell. The smell comes from the mouth. Yeah, didn't do any dental then. The strong smell from here. Okay, the other side. Turn over slowly. Turn over the other side. I think this side, the left side. Yeah, the left side is the one. The smell is the swelling. There's a swelling here. Is there a swelling? Yeah, that's why the smell is here. Near the lights. No, there. There's a swelling here. The owner says there's a swelling here. So definitely needs dental. Okay. So we do a blood test first. We draw blood to check for any kidney or liver disorders. Since there's a bad breath and vomiting can be kidney disease or liver disease. So it's best to take blood for blood tests for kidney and liver, and also check the general blood system, whether there is any disease or not of the liver, the kidneys, because the dog had been vomiting. Liver, kidney disease, the dog does vomit, but bad breath is from the rotten gums, and that's why the smell is like dead meat. So the blood test completes the health screening of this 16-year-old male, not neutered Jack Russell. Okay, the smell, the bad breath is actually from the gum disease. Wait, let me video first. Wait, there's bad, yeah, rotten teeth. 16-year-old, didn't do any dental for a long time. Yeah. So you can see the smell is bad. See the teeth all loose already, and the gum disease. Okay. can smell that rotten. This Jack Russell, the dental skin has been done, as you can see. The rotten teeth has been extracted, and he's about to wake up. And he's a very ferocious type. We're given Baytril and Tofidine IV through here. And wait, turn over first, come. So turn over. Turn the dog over first. I think he will bite already if you wake up. Yeah. Okay, come turn over first. See the mouth first. Open it. Open the mouth. See the teeth. That's where the gum just now was smelly. Yeah. Now okay already. Yeah. That's why the owner says he sneezes blood out. Yeah. Okay, can. So we will give some glucose. Today is April 5th, 2017. About 12 hours after dental scaling, this 16-year-old male Jack Russell, the drip is over finished, and you can see he has woken up fully and is quite active. No more bad breath. Hello. Yeah, so there's good news because dogs do die of anesthesia, especially old dogs. And you see no more swelling on his left jaw, and should be able to go home.